What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, Recess Beer Band got a new video release from her endorsement Mana Collagen. Recess Beer Band is one of the biggest endorsers in Thailand. The Mana Collagen brand is a Rasaya drinks every day. It is a normal menu into a great menu. Processed Birban loves the Mana Collagen. It has no color and no fishy smell, and it can make any of your meals more delicious. And it can help your skin to be bright and healthy. Processed Birban also shared on Instagram their beautiful photo from Uniqlo. Recess says with the caption, "Come back again with thank you." It is the festival organized by Unicole to thank all customers who have supported Unicole so well. Let me tell you that you don't miss it. This Thanksgiving festival is held on 25 of November. Recess Beer Band wants to invite everyone to see the many specials from new collection and various styles, so warm and soft and beautiful. On the Dex activity, Nadeko Gimiya got his cute photo with his best friend E.T. The group of friends are strolling in Japan. As you can see, all of them are look so happy in the street. Nadeko Gimiya was on a happy trip.